on unboxing the Dell. This is the Dell X17R2 laptop. I purchased it from Best Buy, open box, great price. And I'm doing a video on unboxing it and the condition of the open box items. It says excellent condition on the website. Let's see how true that is. We'll take a look at the actual laptop. So you can see the inspection stickers on there. I will be very careful. I don't think that's, that looks like a box. So it tells you that it comes with all the major accessories, but it might not come with the original packaging. This one, I believe, if I saw correctly, came from a Jersey store. Not too bad. A little damage on the box itself, but doesn't look too bad. And it comes with the original box. Now let's take a look at the actual laptop. Make sure it's in half. There's nothing else in the box. It's just totally empty. Let's see how well the laptop. I purchased this because this is going to be my main laptop. I'm upgrading. I have a Dell R9 i7, 16 gigs of RAM, 2080 video card, and I purchased it a couple, 2, 3, 4 years ago. My upgraded version. I've been doing a lot of video editing. I'm an amateur at it, but I enjoy doing it. But it takes really long on that computer, and I'm hoping that this is a much faster computer since it is an i9. Comes with 32 gigs of RAM and the M.2 NVMe SSD 1 terabyte, I believe. I'm gonna upgrade that to 4 terabyte on another video. Is there anything in here? No. It's a cushion. Okay. So this part is raised, but I don't think there's anything in here, no? Okay. Wow, this is heavy. I believe that's the actual laptop. Just packaging. Let's put this to the side for now because I'm pretty sure that's the laptop. And let's look at everything that comes inside the box. Nothing. Pretty empty. Empty. I will keep the box for a while. I have, 14 days of return? Oh, this is a nice looking power brick. Heavy too. Regular standard plug. That's great. It doesn't look like the usual ones. Cool. I'll have pictures of this at the end so you can get information. This is the actual plug itself, and it is, let me get everything. What a nice looking power adapter. 3-prong. Nothing else. I guess pretty much there's nothing else. So Totally empty. All right. Let me measure the actual power supply. Well, it's a pretty heavy power supply. Power supply itself, just in case you're interested. Almost an inch. Actual, this cable here is, and I guess you can replace this cable with anything since it's standard, I would call it mullets or this type of plug adapter. That's 3 feet long. I'm gonna say 67, 5 feet 7 inches. So the adapter with the cables, it's about a little over 9 feet long. And now let's open this up. Okay, that's nice. It's like that, what is it, pearl white or gray color. Some stickers, pretty cool, like Apple. Nothing else. So this is everything that came inside of the actual box. Laptop, power supply, and some paperwork. So let's take a close-up look. Let me put some lights on. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look like any damage or any, maybe it's just, they just opened up the box and that's it. Is that the mic? Yep, headphone. Sorry, not mic, headphone. Nothing in the front. Again, we're just doing an inspection. Trying to get an idea of what Best Buy calls excellent, and it looks pretty excellent. It was a significant reduction in total price. It's the power. And then flip it around. Yeah, it looks pretty good in the bottom of the laptop. So everything looks good so far. Nothing. Yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna say excellent. Let me look at the inside now. Okay, everything seems to be working. Alienware just turned on once I opened up the laptop. Honeycomb vents. Ah, just one sticker, that's good. I don't like when they put 1,000 stickers in the corner. They should just give them to us and let us decide what we're gonna do with them. All right, so. Yeah, keys look brand new. Nice. Let me see if I can see any dead pixels, and I don't. Let me turn off the light on the phone. Yeah, I'm not seeing any. I did a close-up look.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Looks great. Okay, excellent condition. Unboxing, look at open box Best Buy item. I really like it. All right, there'll be pictures to follow and some information on the laptop. Before I end the video, just a quick look at the actual ports, and everything's in the back. On the side, there is a headphone jack on this side, and then as we go along from left to right, that is going, oh wow, that is going to be a Thunderbolt 4 power delivery port right here. And then over here, that's going to be a USB 3.2 Gen 1 power share port. And then a, what do they call this? Killer Ethernet, 2.5 gigahertz Ethernet. That's gonna be interesting. I gotta get a 2.5 switch. Too bad I only have 1 gig of internet. It'd be nice to have 2 on one line. Then after that, we have a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 power delivery and display port. And over here is regular standard HDMI port, which I probably will be using. The next USB-A looking port is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 power share port. That's gonna be a micro SD port to put micro SD cards in there. I wish they would have put that in the front. That would have been much better in the front. The next one is going to be a display port. And this is the, again, mini display port. One mini display port, 1.5 4. And this is going to be the power supply plug-in port, where you plug in the power supply. Battery life is, to me, non-existent. Maybe a couple of hours on this laptop. Probably be plugged in most of the time. And these look like they're just speakers. Speakers. Yeah. And there's 2 of them here in the front. I'm very happy with my purchase. I'm glad I made it. Saved a lot of money. So this was an unboxing and look at an open box from Best Buy again. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye now. Please like and subscribe and ask any questions below. All info will be below in regards to this laptop.